So hello. This is the Bloody Playgrounds. This game is a blood-using game like as it sounds. Let's lose no time and start. This is where some dummies are. You can kill them or have fun with them. I one-shot him with a special move. If you want to learn it yourself, you can look at the description. And this is a car. You can drive it with quirky mechanics. It is so OP. And here are the guns, melee weapons, and bombs are. Like this is a knife. It is OP too for a melee. And here are some real guns. AK-47, Spaz, and Eagle. Oh no, Angry Nilly. It is one of the strong NPCs, so be careful when fighting with him. But don't worry, I got this. Oh shoot, Shrek. He can kill you so fast. He is really powerful. I am going to chop him. I'm angry. So let's go. While fighting with Shrek, you can't use melee weapons cause he's gonna give backshots to you. So take a gun with you. Just be careful for Shrek not to attack you. Also, after you kill him, he's gonna vomit for some reason. And here are the powerful guys, the homeless man, and the Sigma Funk Man. Just don't go near the Sigma Funk Man because he is a bad boy. Also, homeless man is swearing. Here is a little house and inside it is a sandwich. You can break the door and enter. If you eat it, you vomit just like Shrek. Like this. Let's go there. Oh, and also, there is a playground. Anyways, here are some pads that lets you heal and lose health. Every color gives you more or less HP. I don't know what this blue color does. See? It killed me fast. Now I will go there again and show you one more thing. But first, before, this game has guts and then deleted it, which is for me. It is bad. And this is it what I tell you. Anyways, and this is just a normal tower. What you expect from it. And by pressing V while near someone dead or laying in the ground you can tame them. Like this. You can't really run while taming, but it still works. And this is what I love to show you. The secret basement. It's going to be a little dark, but trust me, you will see something so good there. A room is that special, you say, but trust me, it is. This isn't working for some reason. But don't worry, the Rayol is right here. Don't walk through the blood, just jump by it like this. And as you can see, we made it the secret. A virus. I don't know, but for some reason it didn't let me get it. Escape here or use it right here. And let the massacre begin. This is the virus, by the way, just throw it on somewhere. And trust me, it is very, very, very brutal. I'm gonna use it here. Boom. Just wait a little bit. You can ask, why am I here? Because you cannot control the virus. Let's see. The sounds are coming as you can hear. Let's go in. Oh, or he is coming. And here is our zombie virus inside the game. He can bit me, so I'm running. And I am gonna let it bite the noob. Here it is. Yep, he bit him. And he's gonna turn into one of them. There it is. I am gonna make the sound more louder cause they are screaming. What the heck is happening? Oh shoot. Let's run. After the infection started, it is gonna stay a lot. So I'm just gonna skip it fast.